Are you happy? Okay, good. Are you ready to study? Okay. Title of the lesson is Knowing the Earth. Knowing the Earth. In our last class, from there, we learned globes and maps, right? Globes fully studied, but map little only studied. Okay. Globe is a model of Earth. Okay. It shows what the Earth actually looks like and where the land and water and are on the earth. Then spin a globe. Spin means rotate, right? We can spin a globe, which helps us to understand how the earth also spins. Okay. Then we studied maps. Globes are not easy to carry, so maps very easy to carry place to place. So we have maps. These are special drawings and different parts of the earth. Know interesting facts about a place, like whether it has mountains, rivers, or the sea nearby, right? Then one more thing, find a place. Then had special information such as how much rain a place gets or what road it has. This everything we know from the maps, right? Many maps of the different parts of the earth are put together into a book and called atlas. What is the meaning of atlas? A book that contains many maps. Many maps together. That is atlas. Okay. A map is different from a photograph. Map different. This photograph different. Okay. See here, two pictures are here. First picture, this picture is a photograph and a map. Okay. The photograph shows two villages, right? Two villages, fields and road and trees. Find the places that are labeled in the photograph, in the map of the same area. Okay, same area. Then we have to easy to find, so use grid lines. Grid line. What is the meaning of grid line? GRID, grid. Grid means a pattern of straight lines that cross each other like this, like a check note. Okay, your max notebook may have a grid of squares, vertically and straight. Okay, a pattern of straight lines that cross, straight line and cross line. Okay, straight lines and cross lines. Understand, ma'am? Straight lines that cross each other like this. Your max notebook may have a grid of squares. You have to think that check note. Okay. Then that center of the earth is called equator. The line around the center of the earth. One middle one line is there. That is equator. That is center of the earth. Equator means an imaginary line around the center of the earth. Okay. Then this lands, places, everything. A list of names in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. So many maps together in atlas. This here index is there. Index means a list of names in alphabetical order at the end of an atlas. Okay, just that check note. You think that sheet of paper has a grid of lines. Okay, experts have drawn lines on maps and globes. Okay, these form a grid and help us to find places easily. Very easy to find. Okay, used to grid help us to find places easily. Okay. Then look at the globe or a map to see the grid of lines here and there. Check line like. Okay. The earth does not actually have lines or not. These are just imaginary. Okay. Imaginary means not real. Okay. Imaginary means not real lines. Okay. We have to only that line, not real line. Okay. Imaginary line. Okay. Some of these imaginary lines have special names. The line around the center of the earth is called the equator. Already told now. Okay. Center of the earth is called, that one line around the center of the earth is called, the line around the center of the earth is called the equator. Equator spelling EQUATOR, equator. Okay. To help us find places in maps, atlases have an index at the end of the atlas. In an index, the names of places and in alphabetical order. Right? Alphabetical order. Okay. This much only. Then the equator, then the some places here, a map from an atlas, it contains the places mentioned in the index. Okay. Clear? Understand, ma'am? Grid line. I show the picture. Okay. See here one activity. Both of you should give exactly the same piece of plain paper. See here, plain paper. Okay. On your paper, draw a star. Your partner should not see where you have drawn it. You can sit back to back for this. Okay. See here, the star drawn back to back. You have to sit. Explain to your partner exactly where to draw the star on their paper. Use only words, not your hands, to explain. See, now both of you should give a sheet of paper like drawing 3. See, grid. This is grid line. Okay. These cross to cross lines form a grid. Each box in the grid gives a name. Both of you should find a color box C2. Okay, C2 means C. This is 2. C2. A1, B1, C1, D1. A2, B2, C2, D2. Likewise. Understand? This is a grid line. Grid. Okay. Draw a star on in one of the boxes of your grid. Do not let your partner see where you have drawn it. C3. Drawn this star is C3. Okay. Like we have to find EC. Okay. Now ask your partner to draw a star in exactly the same place. Okay, same place. You have to find. Easy to find. Then see here, maps. A map from an atlas, it contains the places mentioned in the index. See here, this is a grid line. Okay, index. See here, name, page number, state, grid. Ahmednagar. Very easy to find. Okay. Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Mumbai, Maharashtra. That grid line is here. A2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. See here. A1, A2. Ahmednagar. Okay, A2. Where is A2? A2. Ahmednagar is here. Understand? Very easy to find. Then Hyderabad. Hyderabad B2. B2. Here only Hyderabad. See here. Hyderabad. Then see here. Mumbai. Mumbai is A2. A2. Where is Mumbai? Mumbai is here. Then Nagpur. B1. B1. Nagpur. See here Nagpur. Very easy now. Like that we have to find easy. Then Warangal. B2. See B2. Where is Warangal? See here Warangal. Then last Vijayawada C2. C2. Where is Vijayawada? Vijayawada. See here Vijayawada. Like this we have to find. Okay. Today no need question answer. In our next class I give 2 question answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Meet again.